Hey, welcome to Campground Cuisine. I'm Cindy and thanks for visiting my channel. Got something really different that we're doing today. Earlier you might have seen a different video where I'm with my friend Carol and she was showing us how to make apple pies with the pie iron over the fire. Well, I decided to take it a different path and I'm going to try and make brownies today. So what I've done is I went to my best friend Dollar Tree and I got some very basic brownie mix, super simple, not a lot of ingredients because we're at the campground. It's just 1/3 of a cup of oil, an egg, and a couple tablespoons of water, super easy. So I've got this batter, I'm all ready to go. I've got the pie irons right here on the bench. I'm gonna spray them with some non-stick spray because it will stick. Trust me, I know. But we're going to go ahead and prep these real quick here, so we'll hold them out so we don't get cooking spray on the next person who's sitting here. All right, of this brownie mix onto one side. So you can see I'm getting it in there. And that's about all I'm going to do. I don't want it totally oozing out in the fire. So we'll get it a little set, and what this does is it hooks on. So we'll come forward, get this hooked, and close it. We'll move this clip up here. These pie irons, you can get these on the internet, a lot of places. They're available at Walmart. I happen to have a friend give me this one. So we have a nice fire going. Of course, if you have a bunch of embers from letting the fire go late into the night, that's a great situation too. But we moved the campground fire pit grate over. So I'm just gonna put the brownie off to the side. We don't want it to be directly on there because we want the insides to be cooking just like the outside is and not get it too burned on the outside. So we're gonna come back in about 7 minutes and check it, but the goal is to have this on here for about 10. Okay, so it's been about 7 minutes. I'm gonna check out the brownie. If it's looking like it's still a little jiggly, we'll put it right back on. And just like with any brownie or baked good, we have a toothpick to check the insides when we think we're closer to being done. So let's see what it looks like right now. Oh, looking good. We're gonna let this side that's on top right now cook for a couple more minutes and see what we're doing. So we'll come back and check things out and maybe it'll be time. Okay, I think we're at a good spot here. Oh yeah, look at that brownie. We'll look at the other side. Yes, ma'am. Oh yeah. Put this one right there. We're just going to flip it. Look at there. So we'll put this off to the side and let it cool. I'm pretty sure it's ready to go. But just in case, we'll stick it with the, yep, nothing in there. So we're just going to let that cool and we're going to have some Campground Cuisine brownies. You got to get you some. We'll see you next time.